For years, many have struggled with sugar. They crave its sweetness, yet they fear its health consequences. What if there was a secret? A secret that doctors are now starting to share. This secret involves a special kind of sweetness. It is a sweetness that can change your life. It can help you reclaim your health and vitality. Imagine enjoying sweetness without the guilt or harm. This is not just another fleeting health trend. It is a recommendation rooted in careful observation. Many doctors see patients suffering daily. They see the impact of excessive sugar consumption. They have been searching for safe alternatives. Now, such an alternative is becoming clearer. It offers a way out of the sugar trap. This path can lead to significant health improvements. The modern diet is often overloaded with sugar. This sugar is frequently hidden in processed foods. Many people consume it without even realizing. The effects accumulate over time, silently. Finding a way to reduce this sugar burden is critical. Prepare to learn about this remarkable, sweet secret. Sugar, especially fructose, is not your friend. It might taste good for a moment, but its effects on your body are deeply concerning. Excess sugar is a primary driver of obesity. This is not just about calories, it is about metabolism. Your liver is forced to work overtime. It converts excess sugar, particularly fructose, into fat. This fat accumulation leads to weight gain. It also sets the stage for more serious problems. One of the most well-known dangers is diabetes. Specifically, we are talking about type 2 diabetes. Constant high sugar intake overwhelms your insulin system. Your cells become resistant to insulin signals. Blood sugar levels then remain dangerously high. This condition affects millions around the globe. It can lead to nerve damage and kidney disease. It also increases the risk of blindness. Reducing sugar is crucial for diabetes prevention and management. Heart disease is another major risk. Excess sugar contributes to this in several ways. It can raise your levels of harmful LDL cholesterol. It can also increase your triglyceride levels. Making informed choices about sugar is vital for everyone. What makes a sugar substitute truly good? It is not just about tasting sweet. Several important criteria must be met. First, it should closely mimic the taste of sugar. This makes the transition easier for most people. Nobody wants an unpleasant aftertaste if avoidable. The sensory experience is very important for adherence. A good substitute should be enjoyable to use. This ensures people will stick with it long term. Second, a good substitute must be low in calories. Ideally, it should have 0 effective calories. This helps with weight management goals. It also avoids adding empty nutritional burdens. Many people switch to reduce their overall calorie intake. This is a key factor for those fighting obesity. The substitute should not contribute to fat storage. It should not behave like sugar metabolically. Third, and critically, it must not spike blood sugar. It should also not trigger an insulin response. This is vital for individuals with diabetes. It is also important for pre-diabetics. Finally, the ideal substitute should be natural. It should also be proven safe for regular consumption. Section 4, Sweetener Showdown, Comparing Common Sugar Alternatives. Many sugar substitutes are available today. Let's look at some common ones. Stevia is a popular natural option. It comes from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant. It is very sweet and has 0 calories. It generally does not raise blood sugar levels. However, some people report a slight bitter aftertaste. The quality and taste can vary between brands. It is widely used in drinks and food products. For many, it is a good, natural choice. Aspartame is an artificial sweetener. It has been used for many decades. It is also calorie-free and very sweet. You find it in many diet sodas and sugar-free products. However, aspartame has faced some controversy. Some studies have raised questions about its long-term safety. Though regulatory agencies deem it safe for most, it is not stable at high temperatures. This means it is not suitable for baking. Many consumers prefer to avoid artificial options. Honey is often seen as a natural alternative. It should be used sparingly, if at all. Section 5, Nature's Perfect Sweetness, the top doctor-recommended substitute. After careful review, one option stands out. Doctors are increasingly recommending monk fruit extract. This sweetener comes from a small green melon. The fruit is native to Southeast Asia. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its sweetness does not come from sugars like fructose. Instead, it comes from antioxidants called mogrosides. This makes it fundamentally different from sugar. It offers sweetness without the harmful metabolic effects. It is a truly remarkable natural product. The key benefits of monk fruit are compelling. Firstly, it has 0 calories. This is excellent for weight management. Secondly, it has a 0 glycemic index. This means it does not raise blood sugar levels, nor does it cause an insulin spike. This makes it a safe choice for diabetics. It is also beneficial for anyone watching their sugar intake. These 2 factors alone make it highly attractive. It aligns perfectly with healthy eating goals. Beyond these, monk fruit is entirely natural. The extract is made by crushing the fruit. Then, the sweet moghrosides are isolated. Section 6. A sweeter, healthier life, practical steps and important cautions. Incorporating monk fruit into your daily life is easy. You can start by adding it to your drinks. It dissolves well in coffee, tea, and lemonade. A small amount is usually sufficient. Remember, it is much sweeter than sugar. Experiment to find the right level of sweetness for you. You can also use it in smoothies, or sprinkle it over unsweetened yogurt or oatmeal. This simple switch can cut out a lot of sugar. It makes your favorite beverages healthier instantly. Monk fruit is also great for baking and cooking. Unlike some artificial sweeteners, it is heat stable. This means it retains its sweetness when heated. You can use it in recipes for cakes, cookies, and muffins. You might need to adjust recipes slightly. This is because sugar also provides bulk in baking. Look for monk fruit blends designed for baking. These often include other ingredients for texture. It allows you to enjoy homemade treats, without the harmful effects of added sugars. When you first start using monk fruit, begin slowly. Use a small amount and gradually increase if needed.